First question is where is Sun Temple located? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Gujarat, Bihar. Right answer is Odisha. The Sun Temple located in Odisha. Next, how many spokes are in the Ashok Chakra? 18, 20, 24, 26. Right answer is 24. 24 spokes are in the Ashok Chakra. Next, which Indian state is famous for spices? West Bengal, Gujarat, Kerala, Rajasthan. Right answer is Kerala. Kerala is famous for spices. Next, where is Kaziranga National Park located? Assam, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Odisha. Right answer is Assam. In Assam, Kaziranga National Park located. Next, which river is considered the holiest in India? Yamuna, Ganga, Krishna, Godavari. Right answer is Ganga. The Ganga river is considered the holiest in India. Next, which Indian state is known for backwaters? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Karnataka. Right answer is Kerala. Kerala is known for backwaters. Next, where is India Gate located? Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi, Bengaluru. Right answer is New Delhi. In New Delhi, India Gate located. Next, what is the name of India's national anthem? वंदे मातरम, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, जनगण मन, हिंद देश के निवासी. राइट आंसर इज जनगण मन. India's national anthem is जनगण मन. Next, what is the name of a national song of India? जनगण मन, वंदे मातरम, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, ए मेरे वतन के लोग. Right answer is वंदे मातरम. The national song of India is वंदे मातरम. Next, which bird is a symbol of peace? Pigeon, dove, eagle, crow. Right answer is dove. Dove is the symbol of peace. Next, who is called the Iron Man of India? Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajendra Prasad. Right answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called the Iron Man of India. Next, what is the name of India's Parliament House? Rashtrapati Bhavan, Sansad Bhavan, Supreme Court, Rajya Sabha. Right answer is Sansad Bhavan. Name of the India's Parliament House is Sansad Bhavan. Next, which Indian city is famous for the IT industry? Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Pune, Gurugram. Right answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru city is the famous for the IT industry. Next, what is the emergency helpline number in India? 100, 108, 112, 101. Right answer is 112. 112 is the emergency helpline number in India. Next, which Indian city is ranked as the cleanest? Bhopal, Surat, Indore, Ahmedabad. Right answer is Indore. Indore city is ranked as the cleanest. Next, which river is called the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh? Chambal, Betwa, Tapti, Narmada. Narmada is the right answer. The Narmada river is called the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. Next, who was the first Chief Justice of India? Y.V. Chandrachud, H.J. Kanya, R.C. Lahoti, T.S. Thakur. Right answer is H.J. Kanya. H.J. Kanya was the first Chief Justice of India. Next, who was the first woman IPS officer in India? Indira Gandhi, Kiran Bedi, Sushma Swaraj, Arun Asaf Ali. Right answer is Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was the first woman IPS officer in India. Next, which is the southernmost point of the India? Kanyakumari, Indira Point, Rameswaram, Nicobar. Right answer is Indira Point. Indira Point is the southernmost point of India. Next, where is the Indian Military Academy located? Pune, Hyderabad, Dehradun, Gwalior. Right answer is Dehradun. In Dehradun, Indian Military Academy located. Next, which festival is celebrated with kites? Holi, Makar Sankranti, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan. Right answer is Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is celebrated with kites. Next, who founded the Maurya dynasty? Ashoka, Bimbisara, Harshavardhan, Chandragupta Maurya. Right answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Maurya dynasty. Next, who was the founder of Sikhism? Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Nanak, Guru Arjun, Guru Tegh Bahadur. Right answer is Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikhism. Next, where is the Golden Temple located? Delhi, Amritsar, Chandigarh, Patiala. Right answer is Amritsar. The Golden Temple is located in Amritsar. Next, which Indian festival celebrates the bond of a brother-sister? Diwali, Pongal, Raksha Bandhan, Bihu. Right answer is Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan festival celebrate the bond of a brother-sister. Next, who is called Chacha Nehru? Rajiv Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi. Right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru called Chacha Nehru. Next, who discovered the sea route to India? Columbus, Vasco da Gama, Magellan, Captain Cook. Right answer is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India. Next, which is the first Indian sound film? Raja Harishchandra, Allama Alamara, Sole, Mother India. Right answer is Alamara. Alamara is the first Indian sound film. Next, who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Amartya Sen, Rabindra Tagore, Kailash Satyarthi. Right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize. Next, what does RTI stand for? Right to identity, right to internet, right to information, right to integrity. Right answer is right to information. RTI stand for right to information. Next, which crop is also called golden fiber? Cotton, silk, jute, wool. Right answer is jute. Jute crop is also called golden fiber. Next, what does ATM stand for? Automated teller machine, anytime money, auto teller money, access to money. Right answer is automated teller machine. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Next, who is known as the Nightingale of India? Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Lata Mangeshkar, Kalpana Chawla. Right answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India. Next, what is the voting age in India? 16, 18, 21, 25. Right answer is 18. The voting age in India is 18. Next, which sports is Sachin Tendulkar associated? Hockey, football, cricket, tennis. Right answer is cricket. Sachin Tendulkar associated with cricket. Next, what is the full form of GDP? Gross domestic production, general domestic product, gross domestic product, government development plan. Right answer is gross domestic product. Full form of GDP is gross domestic product. Next, which state is known for Bihu festival? Odisha, Punjab, West Bengal, Assam. Right answer is Assam. Assam is known for Bihu festival. Next, who built the Red Fort? Akbar, Babur, Aurangzeb, Shahjahan. Right answer is Shahjahan. Shahjahan built the Red Fort. Next, in which state is Jagannath temple located? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is Odisha. Jagannath temple located in Odisha. Next, which Indian state is known as the land of 5 rivers? Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan. Right answer is Punjab. Punjab is known as the land of 5 rivers. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribe. Jai Jagannath.